The good day.
Ooh, that was amazing, mate.
Alexa?
What? Alexa? Alexa? Alexa doesn't talk to me anymore.
No, she doesn't like you because you left her alone for so long.
Can you talk to her?
Alexa? Wie geht's dir?
Lieb, dass du fragst.
Aber warte, Vincent, du musst für mein Intro All I Want for Christmas Is You singen.
Wait, I gotta get the Mariah out. I'm summoning her.
I
Don't want a lot.
I don't care about those presents. I need I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. It's Christmas. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my beautiful ugly Christmas sweater because I am in a Christmas mood as fuck.
You just told me like half an hour ago that you weren't.
I am not, but I'm wearing a Christmas sweater, so I'll have to be.
Okay.
And why does my piercing always look like a booger? Let me just twist it. It feels so good to be back. I took a little bit of time off if you didn't notice. So guys, I don't know what my channel would be if I wouldn't dye my hair Christmas themed for this year's Christmas. I have my Christmas colors stacked up. I have my hair almost ready, not quite ready because there's still color in it, but I can't get rid of the blue, so basically ready. I got me tools, I got me Vincent if I need help. So what can go wrong today? Warum ist es so dunkel? Wait, I didn't even say welcome back to the Shabby Saloon. That should have been my intro, yeah, right? So let's do that again. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Shabby Saloon. I just know I will be adding the little sign right here, so I'm doing this. We all know I did my Halloween themed hair color video for Halloween. And I got so many comments from you saying I need to do that for Christmas too. And also without you saying I need to do that for Christmas, I would have done it because you know me. Well, there is those two very significant, very intense colors popping into our head when we think of Christmas, which is red and green. I am ready for that. Oh, warum habe ich denn jetzt wieder Hunger? Oh, look at my little baby. Oh, Taco, that's an intense stare. Okay, guys, let's try to mix the perfect Christmas green and the perfect Christmas red. I think this red is actually already so perfect. So as always, I'm mixing it with a bit of this diluter so I get more color in the end. Okay, guys, tell me this is not the perfect Christmas red. Actually, don't tell me. Okay, so I just mixed this, but as you can see, I think it's a little bit too bluish for a Christmas green. It looks really, really blue on camera. So let me just add some of the spring green, which is a little more, you know, springy. Okay, I think that's definitely better now. It still looks a little bit too blue on camera, but I swear, this is green.
That looks like ketchup.
By the way, I didn't even show you that my Christmas sweater actually has lights in it. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need, and it's the sweater. I don't even know where my Musical.ly sweater is. Only I can hurt myself combing my hair. Well, I still have my bangs. They're right here and right there. I'm going to dye this side green and this side red. So if it washes out, then this side will be a cute little purple moment and this side will be blue. But I feel like if I'm gonna add green on top of this, I will for sure never get rid of this blue. Let's only listen to Christmas songs. Today, German with Vincent and Naomi. Deutsch mit Vincent und Naomi. Christmas tree in German means Tannenbaum.
Weihnachtsbaum.
It goes so in German means es geht so, which means Okay, let's start with the green. So starting at the bottom.
Yeah. So you're sure you want to ruin this amazing sweater though?
No. Stille Nacht, heilige Nacht.
Alles kann.
Alles can't. Okay, so while Vincent is going off to those Christmas songs.
I love Christmas songs.
Yeah,
I don't even know
Vincent
why,
and
though.
Christmas songs, like, that's a match made in heaven.
Yeah, but why though? I don't even know. They don't even give me the Christmas cheer. It's just, I don't know.
I mean, Christmas songs are written to sound, like, make you feel, like, happy and safe and sound. And
Yeah, but like in June?
while Vincent is going off to his Christmas songs, I just quickly wanted to address my absence on YouTube, which was not even that long. I'm talking about it like it was like 5 years. But just quickly, because my last video was such a meltdown video and I don't want to leave it uncommented. As you can see, I do feel better. Vincent! Love talking about my private problems. I definitely had problems with being alone, as I said in this video, and when Vincent was gone and I was just home alone with my sick, shitting cats, it was just a lot. My birthday was happening and I had a lot of people and friends visiting and Marvin staying for a couple of days, and I feel like that's literally what I needed, and it kind of really cheered me up and made me try to think about everything like in a different way,
From a new perspective.
Yes, from a new perspective. Thanks so much. I definitely can't say I'm like super happy right now, but I can say that I think I have defeated the major sadness that was going on for a couple of weeks. Tell me if you really care. So I think I can finally say I'm ready to get back on track, back on YouTube, back on my video schedule, back on dyeing my hair, because I really miss that. And I actually have 2 videos filmed already. I actually filmed a drunk makeup tutorial like a couple of weeks ago. I don't know if I'm gonna post it. It's like really cringy, but if you guys want me to post it, then I might think about it again. Vincent, make this noise. Oh, that was good.
Everybody clap!
I love my way of dyeing my hair. Do you think I'm still gonna be Christmas colored on Christmas?
Every day is Christmas when you're by my side. Oops. Oh my god. I hate you. You're Sia.
Right, that's me! Well, it's not Sia. Basically, it's, what's her name? Maddie Ziegler, but I'm basically Sia, yeah. So we're switching sides so we can reach the side a little bit easier. Oh.
Are you ready for red?
Yeah!
Let's get this ketchup on there.
That is exactly what I wanted to say after you finished that sentence. Well, actually before, but I waited for you to finish that sentence so I could say it. But then you said the same with ketchup and I was like, bitch, what? Let's just put straight up tomatoes on my head.
Yes.
Cool.
There's a festival in Spain where they throw tomatoes everywhere, and then there's a big ass lake of tomato juice.
What a waste of tomatoes.
Yeah.
Let's just hope this red won't get like super purple just because of the blue underneath. Let's just hope and pray, like Vincent would say. Wow, that really looks purple. This doesn't turn out red at the end. I just know Redmondo will turn around in his grave. If he would be dead, he's alive, luckily. Thank you. Oh! Hey guys, is having my earpod in while I'm dyeing my hair red making you anxious? Earpod? I love how this is just like floating in the air. Oh, so I know Vincent's in the background editing, which is a great little extra for you guys. I'm gonna let this soak in. I think the application was amazing, and like always, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Then let's get to the Christmas styling. Let's be Maddie Ziegler. See ya. Who is ready for the Christmas reveal?
All I want for Christmas is to see your hair.
Okay, this is my Christmas hair. I cannot believe the red turned out that pink again. Actually, it is a really nice color, and I would still consider it red even though it looks even pinker on camera. But I still think this Christmas makeover is not done. I want curls. I want a different makeup. I'm literally gonna turn myself into Christmas. The master of curls is going to join me. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do my makeup Christmassy. That's what we call multitasking. Should I do the red on the other eye? Or should I just stick with green on both eyes? I'm just so glad you guys see me from that far away, because at the end of the day, when I'm done with my hair color, my makeup looks gross. I feel like I also really can't do makeup anymore. I feel like I need some gold glitter on my lips, right? Feels amazing. Yes, now I feel like it's Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler.
That is a look. Let's comb out these curls. That is it. Finally, I feel as Christmassy as I wanted to be. Wow, it's really late. I really don't think it'll get more Christmassy than this.
This is the look. Yeah.
I love the way it's bouncing when I'm walking.
You are Christmas.
Thanks, that was my goal. Tell me in the comments down below what you think is my Christmas makeover, my Christmas hair color. Ow. Baby. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on. And the Naomijon on.
Twitter.
No, this needs to be in the Christmas.
I tried. That was
Where you at, bruh? Jump, Money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow.